In the previous video, we considered the EEG data from condition A recorded from individual trials. Through this visual inspection, we perhaps noted some features, such as the data looks noisy and maybe rhythmic, but it's hard to come up with conclusive or decisive conclusions about these data through this inspection of individual trials. So what we will consider here is another way to investigate these data, the evoked response potential, sometimes called the ERP. To compute the ERP, we will assume that each trial evokes an instantiation of the same underlying brain process. However, this evoked process is small and hidden in the EEG signal by other ongoing activity unrelated to the stimulus. Therefore, to tease out this weak evoked effect, we will average the EEG responses across trials. Ideally, EEG activity unrelated to the stimulus will cancel out in the average, while the EEG activity evoked by the stimulus will sum constructively. The procedure to perform and display this averaging in MATLAB is as follows. We will plot, as a function of time, the mean of the EEG data from condition A along the first dimension. By choosing the first dimension, we will sum these data across trials. Let's also label the x-axis as time in seconds, and the vertical axis as the voltage in microvolts. And let's give this plot a title, the evoked response potential, or ERP, of condition A. Let's now consider the ERP of these EEG data in condition A. We see that the average voltage across trials increases and decreases substantially above and below zero. One question we would like to address is which, if any, of these deviations are significant.